and celebrate Christmas annually with their families and friends. It is the spirit of hope, love, joy, peace, sharing and giving that we celebrate. It leads us to a new way of life. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son to this world, so that the world might be saved. We celebrate Christmas because God in His kindness and goodness has initiated a search and rescue mission to save us for His eternal embrace from the clutches of evil.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತ ಜಯಂತಿಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತೇನೆ. ದೇವರು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಾದರು ಎಂಬ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ನಾವಿಂದು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮಗೊಬ್ಬ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಲೋಕೋದ್ಧಾರಕ, ಪಾಪದ ಕೂಪದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮನುಷ್ಯನನ್ನ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆತ್ತಲು ಬಂದಂತಹ ಲೋಕೋದ್ಧಾರಕ. ದೇವರು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಾದರು, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅವರೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮನುಜನಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಕೊಂದು ಕಾಣಿಸಿತು. ಆ ಬೆಳಕು ದಿವ್ಯ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ, ಆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಹಬ್ಬ ಈ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಹಬ್ಬ ಆಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಸೋಂಕಿನ ಕತ್ತಲೆ, ಒಂದು ಅನ್ಯಾಯ, ಅದಕ್ಷತೆ, ಅಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆ, ಅಪದೂರುಗಳೆಂಬ ಕತ್ತಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಿಸುವ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಳಕೊಂದು ಉದಯಿಸಿದೆ. ಆ ಬೆಳಕು ನ್ಯಾಯದ ಬೆಳಕು, ಸತ್ಯದ ಬೆಳಕು, ನಿಷ್ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತದ ಬೆಳಕು. ಅವರೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಭು ಯೇಸು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತರು. ಪ್ರಭು ಬೆಳಕು ಹಾಗೂ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಕುವರರು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಾಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಶಾಂತಿಯನ್ನ ಕೋರ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಶಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಈ ಜಗತ್ತು ಶಾಂತಿಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬಲಿ, ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಈ ಜಗತ್ತು ಬೆಳಕಿನಿಂದ ತುಂಬಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾಗೂ ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನ ಕೋರ್ತೇನೆ. ಸರ್ವೇಶ್ವರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸಲಿ.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul, a song of the body, conversation between body and soul. Dance is the silent poetry and the mother of all arts.
सर्वव्यापी व्योम तू शरणं शरणं ईश्वर सत्यं ईश जीवनं सर्वव्यापी व्योम तू शरणं शरणं तेरे चरणों में अर्पण जीवन हर क्षण हम करते हैं तेरा स्मरण चरणों में अर्पण जीवन हर क्षण हम करते हैं तेरा स्मरण ईश्वर का
much more. To know the real meaning of Christmas, let us witness a short skit.
The Bible speaks of three wise men who went to Bethlehem to pay their homage to the newborn King Jesus. I'm sure we do know this story. Three wise men walking across stage, looking at the sky, one pointing to a star.
Look, 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 look.
ತಾರೆಗಳು ಮಿನುಗಿದವು, ಬಾನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಡಿದವು, ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಾಲರ ಜನನವನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಸಾರಿದವು. ತಾರೆಗಳು ಮಿನುಗಿದವು, ಬಾನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಡಿದವು, ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಾಲರ ಜನನವನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಸಾರಿದವು. ಮಹೋನ್ನತದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಮಹಿಮೆ, ಮಹೋನ್ನತದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಮಹಿಮೆ.
Very few of us know that there was a fourth wise man too, named Attaban. Who saw the star and set out with precious gifts to see Jesus.
ತಾರೆಗಳು ಮಿನುಗಿದವು.
On his journey, he sees a beggar by the side of the road dying. He stops to help him. This delays him. And he misses the caravan of the three wise men.
Since he missed the caravan, he could not cross the desert with only one single horse. He is forced to sell one of his precious jewels to buy a camel and provisions to cross the desert. He arrives late in Bethlehem. Because they have fled like refugees to Egypt.
ಹಾರಿದ ಅಟ್ಟಹಾಸ ಮೆರೆದಾಡಿತು, ಮಗುವನು ಹುಡುಕಲು ಸೈನ್ಯವ ಅಟ್ಟಿದ. ಬೀದಿ ಬೀದಿಯ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕುತ್ತ ಹೊರಟ, ಕತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕಡಿದ, ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತುಳಿದ. ಭೀತಿಯು ಹರಡಿತು, ರಕ್ತವು ಹರಿಯಿತು, ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪ್ರಾಣವು ಹೋಯಿತು.
But Attaban saves life of a boy child by selling another of his precious jewels.
Not having found Jesus in Bethlehem, Attaban travels to Egypt, where the parents of Jesus have fled with their little baby son Jesus. But Attaban does not find them. He continues his travels from country to country. This fourth wise man travels a more difficult path as he is torn between his passionate desire to reach the Christ child to present his gift with the other 3 wise men and the desperate needs of the people he meets along his route. Searching but getting delayed because of his many acts of kindness and compassion to the poor, needy, marginalized.
"33 years have passed and Attaban is still a pilgrim, searching for the light."
Attaban arrives in Jerusalem just in time for the crucifixion of Jesus. He spends his last treasure, the pearl, to ransom a young woman from being sold into slavery. He is then struck in the head by falling a roof tile and is about to die. Having failed in his quest to find Jesus, but having done much.
Attaban, I tell you truly, whatever you have done to the poor, the last and the least in your life's journey, you have done unto me. Enter into the joy of paradise.
Attaban dies in a calm radiance of wonder and joy. His treasures were accepted by the mighty Lord and King. The 4th wise man too had found Jesus the Lord.
We know Christmas as the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is a Christian holiday, but we all celebrate it with great joy and happiness. On Christmas Day, we honor the birth of Jesus Christ. In the Christian religion, people believe that Jesus Christ is the Son of God. Besides other religions in India, it is celebrated as a cultural holiday in the month of December. It occurs in the winter season and everyone eagerly waits for it to come. Every year on 25th December, especially for Christians, it is the important day of the year for which they do a lot of preparations and decorations. We make various types of sweets, prepare Christmas cards, and decorate Christmas trees, gifts, and how can we forget the Santa Claus too. On the eve of Christmas, a midnight mass is considered as essential service for the Christians. During this, all the family members go to the mass, and after this, they enjoy a massive feast of different delicacies. They give and take gifts to each other. They also wish each other by saying Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Christmas Mubarak, Shubh Christmas, etc. And they prepare Christmas trees with colorful orbs. They enjoy decorating churches with poinsettia flowers and candles, and Christmas trees with colorful orbs and many more different items. Moreover, they enjoy cutting the cake to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. And how can we forget Santa Claus, who comes after midnight through the chimney with lots of gifts for children and distributes it among them. In conclusion, we can say that Christmas is the spirit of joy and happiness. Christmas revokes the spirit of joy and happiness. And I wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2021 to one and all. Thank you.